Right now, I'm recording this video through my iPhone with the audio through my Blue Yeti microphone, connected directly into the iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how. Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So in this video, we're going to show how to connect a USB microphone that requires a significant level of power, in this case the Blue Yeti, to your iPhone, iPod, or iPad device using the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process. You'll need this and one other piece of equipment, which is the 12-watt power supply from Apple, and then you'll be able to do this without an issue. This is great for enhancing the quality of your videos, as well as if you're interested in using your devices for podcasting. Here we go. All right, guys, so what I have laid out here before us is everything that we're going to need to be able to do this. As I mentioned, I was using the Blue Yeti microphone, which is USB powered. So we have our standard USB cable here with the adapter that comes with it. We're just going to plug that in. Obviously, we can see there's no power running to it yet. Next thing we're going to do, we've got this this Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. You can pick these up at your local big box store for about $35. It's important not to skimp and just get the regular USB camera adapter, because the important function of this one is what you see right here, which is going to allow a lightning cable to be plugged into it, which is going to provide power to the device as well as charging your device that it's plugged in, that this piece is plugged into. So we're just going to take our USB cable, snap that bad boy in there like that. I mentioned another piece that you want to use. The Yeti is a particularly high draw for the power requirement, so I'm using a 12-watt USB power adapter from Apple. These are available at big box stores for about $19. Standard lightning cable, I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to take this bad boy, plug it into my power there. We'll get that off screen so you guys don't have to see it. Then we're going to take the lightning adapter here, plug it in, and now I'm going to just plug it into my phone. And my phone is showing that we have power coming through. Unlock the phone. And as you can see, the light just went on the Yeti. I've seen another method where people have done this with the older style, the USB camera adapter that doesn't have the power pass-through on it, but that takes a lot of extra steps, and this is a pretty simple, pretty clean method of getting it done. All right, to show you that it actually works, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my decibel meter, and we're going to put that on display here. So as I speak, the decibel meter is going to peak, right? As it should. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push the mute button, and this should flash, and our decibel meter has dropped to nothing. As soon as I click the button back for the audio to come through, we'll see the spike, and there it was. So as you can see, you can run a powered USB microphone through your iPhone with this simple adapter. Another thing that you can do is using a lower powered microphone like the Samson Go. You don't even need the external power, and I will show that in just one second. Alright, so using a lower powered USB microphone like the Samson Go, I'm able to skip having the lightning cable running into the adapter. I'm still using the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter here, but as you can see, the USB power is no longer plugged in. Now as I move the microphone closer to my face, you can see the decibel meter is definitely rising as I talk. So as you can see, you can run a smaller USB microphone that doesn't require as much power as the Blue Yeti with this USB 3 camera adapter without an external power source, making on-the-go recording at high quality very easy, very affordable, and it can fit into your pocket. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is recording on the iPhone or iPad or iPod using a USB device, coming through the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Simple, clean setup. I've seen other methods that are much more difficult to use with external powered USB hubs, things of that nature. This really simplifies, streamlines the process, makes it a lot more portable, and a lot simpler with the way that the cable configuration has to happen. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like, leave us a comment if there's something else you'd like to know about, see done. We'd like to make videos that people want to watch, that are helpful to our viewers. Other than that, be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.